Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat settings on Roblox on PS5. So first step, you need to choose more option on Roblox and select settings, and we need to enable the cross-platform play button option. It's recommended. Once done, go back to the main screen, press PS5 button from your controller and select home. Now choose option button on your game and select close game. Once done, select settings, choose users and accounts, choose other option on the right side, select restore licenses option, then choose restore. This will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Once done, just go back to the main screen, make sure your PlayStation controller mute button is not on. If it's on, then you can see the mic disable on the top of the side. That option to enable it, simply press PS button from your controller, go to mic section and just unmute it from your controller. Okay, now what you have to do is you can also use roblox.com to use voice chat. You can invite friends and you can connect with your Discord. So simply restart your PS5 and your problem will be solved. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.